Hello my friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul today. I found some really cute stuff at my Dollar Tree. So yeah, I found some really cute stuff and I thought I wanted to share them with you. So we'll just get started. I picked up some of their summer collection. I bought a couple of these little mug things here, my favorite color. These are actually the second set I bought. I've already bought two and didn't haul those, but yeah, I really like them. I like how wide they are, and yeah, so I went ahead and picked two more up just because you never know if they're gonna have them again. So I picked up two more, and then I also was able to find the cute little bottle container mug things. I just think these are adorable. Yeah, so I went ahead and purchased the flamingo one and the one with all of the different cute little fruits on it, and then the one with the lemonade and mason jars. Yeah, and then the one with the lemonade and mason jars. So I guess this is like fruit punch, and then this one's the lemonade. So yeah, I picked up those four. And then I also picked up the napkins. I think these are really cool, really cute. So what I'll probably do is pull one or two out just to have for any kind of crafting that I might want to do during the summer, if I want to decoupage or anything. So I have the watermelon, the orange, and the lemon. And then I picked up the cute little mason jar plates as well. I just think these are adorable. And then the other thing that I found that I really debated on whether or not to buy was this really cute little fan thing, and it was in the watermelon. They also had one in kiwi, and they also had the orange as well, which I thought was really cute. And I just loved the watermelon. It's funny because there was like a stack of them sitting kind of by the plates and stuff on a little, you know, the little peg thing. And I said, oh, if they had a watermelon, I would get the watermelon. But I only saw the kiwi and the orange on there. Then I went to another section and they had like a big box of them. And of course I had the watermelon. I'm like, oh, well, I just said they had the watermelon, I was going to get it. So yeah, I think it's really super cute. And I picked up a few little things in their wall decor section. I picked up this little cute little Home is Where Our Story Begins. So I probably should have bought two of them, but I didn't. This one, it looks a little bit like it needs to be bent more. Oh, there it goes. Okay. And then I found this really beautiful like shadow box photo frame. I just think this is so pretty. I mean, this is like something the glare is really bad. I'm going to open it. So this is so pretty. This is definitely something you could find at Hobby Lobby. And it would probably be at least $5. You might find it for $3, but probably more like $5. And it's thick, so it's like a 1/2 inch around. So it's like so you can kind of see that it's got a little lip here. I just think it's so pretty. I was so excited to find that. And then I also picked up this one, Enjoy the Little Things. And if you know, my word is joy this year, so I think that's really cute. I'm going to probably try to put it somewhere in my craft room. I have a lot of stuff on my wall. So yeah, I just think that's really cute too. So I'm really glad I found all those. I found some cute socks. And these are all men's socks, but I don't care because the men's socks actually probably fit me better than the women's socks anyway. Got a little run right there. Because I have big feet. So, yeah, so I found some cute little 4th of July flag socks. And then the little flamingos. And I found some barbecue socks. Aren't those darling? I just think those are really cute. So I picked up those 3. And they had a bunch. They had like lobsters, and then they had like a tequila shot one with like salt and like little tequila shots. And then I went ahead and I finally got these in my store. I know they were hauling these. Everyone and their mother was hauling these, and they never came to my store until now. So I'm really excited that I picked these up. So basically it's just a little roll-up shopping bag. This one has little flowers on it, and then this one has the diamonds. So I picked up two. I'm going to give one to my mom and keep one for myself. Okay, and then the other thing I found for my mom is this cute little balloon thing. So it's a foil balloon, 22 inches. Obviously, you just blow it up. You don't actually put helium in it. But they had it on display in the Dollar Tree, and it's super cute, and it's pretty big too. It's like pretty good size. I thought it was going to be small, but 22 inches, I mean, that's almost 2 feet. So yeah, I think this is really cute, and I love the rose gold color. So I will blow that up for my mom on Mother's Day. I also picked up a couple of these, which I found. There was actually 3 different kinds. I only bought these 2. The other one was like for, I can't remember, but it was coconut, and I don't really like coconut. I don't really even like the smell of coconut, so I didn't buy that. I know it probably sounds crazy to some people, but I don't like the smell of coconut. So it's Garnier. It's a Garnier product. So it's, you know, not sure why it's at the Dollar Tree, but I don't really care. I don't see any kind of expiration date on it, so I would probably recommend using it sooner than later. Conditioner for your hair. It actually does say on here at one point, yeah, it's a mask. So it's a rinse out mask. That says that on the tiny little spot right here. So yeah, I thought I would actually go ahead and give one to my mom. So I'm gonna use one for me and keep one, and then give one to my mom. I'm super excited to find these, and I picked up several of them. So yeah, so I'll just show you the ones that I got. So these are basically notebooks. I didn't actually open it, so let me just open one. I didn't realize that it was different color paper, which is really cool. So it's basically, oh look, oh, it's really cute inside. It says weekly tasks, and then it has the scripture on. Oh my gosh, it has different scriptures. Oh my gosh, I like it even better. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh, I had no idea. This little label thing does not do this justice. So it's like a really fuchsia gold. It's a fuchsia floral, and look how pretty the floral is around it. Man, now I wish I had bought more of those. I'm gonna open all of them just to see if they all have the scripture inside. So this one's gold foil, and it says faith is God. Faith in God includes faith in his timing, which I love that. I think that, oh, you can't really see it. Sorry, it's really glary. And I love the like sweet spring floral. It's so cool. Oh, and it's like a green, and it's kind of got an ombre green effect to it. That's really cool. Yep, and it has scriptures, all different scriptures on each page. That is so cool. I love that. I can do all things through Christ, which strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. And this one has the weekly tasks, and it's purple. And I like that it's white on the inside where you actually write. And yep, it has different scriptures. That's so cool. Because I felt like it had like a manly quality to it, like more of a masculine quality. For with God, anything shall be possible. Luke 1:37. And this one's just plain white paper. So I actually think I'm going to give this to one of my coworkers. I found a couple of bags. So I went ahead and picked up the one that says sip back and relax. It's hard to say, sip back and relax. So the mason jar one. Oh, I love this. It's so cute. And then I found 2 more tote bags. I'm so super excited about this one. Look how cute that is. It's like a little mason jar, and it has the rope, and it's like hanging. I know you can't really see it. I'm sorry. My camera is too close. But then it says, let your dreams bloom. It's so cute. Love it. And then, it was funny. Some lady was in front of this, and I'm like, excuse me, I just need that bag right there. Can I just squeeze in? And she's like, of course. She's like, there seems to be plenty of them. I wasn't going to take them all. I'm like, no, I didn't think you were going to take them all. I just really need this bag in my life. So look at that. Isn't that cool? Because my word of the year is joy. And oh my gosh, I love this bag, Dollar Tree. You're doing it. It's so cute. So yeah, that is what I got at this Dollar Tree. So yeah, I'm really excited. I have all the stuff I got. So I hope that you guys find what you're looking for. So I'll see you later. Bye for now.